Do one layer here. That. Get some here. There's the other layer here. Do that. Do that. Then pour the syrup, even the layers, the flavors blended in, smooth out. That, just a little bit from there, then serve it for last. Do that, do that.